If you have been searching the answers for the questions like how to excel in Delhi University, what are the best ways to develop skills at Delhi University, what are some of the advantages of studying in DU, some essential tips for DU students, or what are the things one must do before they graduate from Delhi University? You need to stop searching now because this video have answers to all your questions. Hello, my lovely people. Before we move to the meat and potatoes of the video, I just need to inform you about a little but essential thing. I have created a Facebook group for everyone who's enrolled in a Delhi University undergraduate course. This group will be run by you guys, where you can seek answers to all your queries regarding Delhi University, its course, syllabus, old question paper, reading material, etc. You will be the one asking question. At the same time, you guys will help one another. Do not forget to join this Facebook group. The link is in the description below. Now let's get on to the video and try to find what are the things you must do if you are a Delhi University undergraduate student. Number 1, become a member of cultural clubs. The Delhi University cultural societies range from creative writing, dance, drama, debating, fashion, film, photography, quizzing, singing, spiritualism, etc. Some colleges would have 2 or more societies of one creative field. Let's take drama for example. Some colleges would have a street play society and theatre society. Let's take another example. Music. There could be Western Music Society and Indian Classical Music Society within a college. These cultural societies make the DU the culturally vibrant hub that everyone wishes to be part of. You could benefit from this in few ways. Number 1, that's the place where you can learn and hone a skill. Number 2, you can get a chance to interact with new, interesting and wise people. Also, you learn to work in a group. Number 3, you will also learn to manage your time between academics and extracurricular activities. Some of these societies demand a good chunk of your college time, and that could be worth it. Finally, most of these societies organize and take part in various inter-college competition, thus giving you a platform to showcase your talent. Time for some quick tips, especially if you are a fresher. Check your college website. I'm going to be repeating this a lot. You have been warned. You'll find the desired information on the existence of every kind of cultural club within the college. To know more about these societies, their achievement, audition process, etc., find them on either Facebook or Instagram. Most of them are quite active on social media as this is the best way to relay information regarding upcoming events, orientation, and much more. Number 2, participate in various competitions. Whether you are a part of cultural clubs or not, that does not conform you in any way when it comes to participating in different kinds of competitions. Participating in annual fest of different colleges is a great way to win some cash prizes and certificates. Start with your own college and find out when these competitions are being held and how you can participate. Then search for nearby colleges and your search could be based on your interest. For example, you might be interested in debating. Follow pages of different debating societies to know when they organize these competitions. You could benefit from this in 3 major ways. Number 1, it could be a great boost of confidence by merely participating in these competitions. Number 2, some of these competitions not only provide certificates but also cash prizes to winners. Number 3, participating or winning these competitions could really look good in your resume. Time for some quick tips. An easier way to get the information regarding various competitions, their timings, etc., is to check social media pages of platforms like DU Updates, DU Express, DU Vibe, DU Beat, etc. Number 3, get a job or an internship. It's easier said than done, I know, but there are ways to find them. LinkedIn, Internshala, etc. are some platform to find a job or an internship. But we're talking about Delhi University, right? Let's come back to that. Find out if there's a placement cell in your college. If there is, then when do they organize job and internship fair? What if There is no such cell at your disposal. Check out Delhi University Central Placement Cell. It organizes these kinds of fair. I don't think talking about benefits of a job or an internship is really needed here. But quick tips, that's important. We will talk about it. Number one, apart from your college placement cell and Delhi Central Placement Cell, you can find out about the placement cell of other colleges whenever they organize their annual job fair. Do they invite students from other colleges or not? Once again, platforms like DU Beat, DU Vibe, DU Express, etc. come handy. Number second, be on the lookout if any resume writing workshops are being held by any placement cell. Do attend at least one. Number three, build your resume. Have at least a structure ready so that at the end of your graduation, you are just left with editing it. Number four, join an NGO. The National Service Scheme (NSS) is the best way to engage in social welfare activities. Every college organizes different kinds of activities under NSS, like blood donation camps, cleanliness drive, literacy camp for underprivileged students, etc. But not every college has NSS. Check if your college have that option. If not, then most of these job fairs that I mentioned earlier, the ones that are organized by different placement cells of different colleges, there you'll find NGOs in these fairs as well. Else, social media and Internshala are great place to find some NGOs you could work with. Talking about benefits of working with an NGO isn't really needed. But if helping others and contributing towards your society isn't enough for you, then think how about volunteering would look good in your resume, especially if you wish to apply for some foreign universities that take social service into consideration. A quick tip, just check whether the NGO you are volunteering with provide you with at least a certificate and a letter of recommendation. Number 5, learn a language. There are colleges like Ramjas, St. Stephen's, Daulat Ram, Jesus and Mary, etc. that provide certificates, diplomas and advanced diplomas in foreign languages. These are part-time courses. These courses are conducted in affiliation with different departments of the university, like the Department of East Asian Studies and the Department of Germanic and Romance Studies. This information is either available on the departmental website or the college website. If your desired language is not being taught, then I would suggest at least hone your existing language skills. Command over any language could be a great asset. You want to talk about benefits? You are going to be smarter. What else? Few quick tips. First, make sure you're aware of whether your college provide any of these part-time language courses or not. Collecting information and attending classes within your college would be easier. Don't only check the admission criteria for these courses, but also check the curriculum, timing of the classes, dates of final assessment. Secondly, if for some reason you can't or don't want to take up language courses within your college or any other DU college, then take advantage of being in Delhi. There are language institutes where you can enroll yourself in language courses and attend classes on the weekends. Number 6, short term courses. Apart from part time language courses, you also have option to take up short term courses. They're also known add on courses. Courses like filmmaking, digital marketing, mass communication, etc. First, obviously, check your own college website. Not every college provides these add on courses. Second, check the website of campus of open learning. Just like language courses, you can pursue these add on courses along with your regular graduation course. Here's the website of campus of open learning that states students already pursuing graduation degree or other courses in Delhi University or other universities can also apply. You can check what are the courses offered by the campus of open learning. There are quite a few. Number 7, attend seminars. Every department of a college is a club within itself. Apart from the departmental fest, these departments organize seminars, conferences, talks to provide knowledge that goes beyond the realm of classrooms and prescribed readings. Some even organize paper presentation competitions. Taking part in these competitions would give you a great boost, especially if you intend to have an academic career. Let's talk about benefits of this. These seminars could provide you great information that you might be able to use in your exams, be it your final exam of your graduation course or any other entrance exam. Also, this would give you a chance to listen and ask questions to the panelists who are often experts in their field. Time for some quick tips. This quick tip is not directly linked to these seminars but somewhat related, I would say. If you are interested in continuing with your academics or just need help with your paper presentation, then college library would be your best friend. Most college libraries provide their student with access to portals and website that contains countless research paper. These websites that have cornucopia of research paper provide you with tons of research paper but with restricted access or have a subscription. College library give you access to them for free. Check whether your college library have subscribed to them and make the best use of these platforms. Number 8. Attend classes. Might sound obvious and boring, but it is crucial. Once you check your college curriculum and the topics that you are expected to learn for entrance exam to get admission in a post graduation program, you'll find a lot of similarities. A lot of topics that are covered during your graduation course could help you in your entrance exam for your post graduation. It is better to study for 3 years for a post graduation entrance than in 3 days. Secondly, if you wish to continue with your subject and want to pursue your post graduation from Delhi University, then admission also takes place through merit. So attend your classes, score well, and get into a PG program through merit, in other words, without an entrance. As you can see, Delhi University postgraduate admission have two kind of eligibility criteria. One, entrance category, and second is merit category, where all you have to do is score good to get the admission. Here's a screenshot of the course MSc in Mathematics, and here is the screenshot of the course MA in Psychology. Though I've already talked about benefits, but there's something else that might give you some extra push to attend classes and score good. Not just each college, but even Delhi University during its convocation award prizes and medals to meritorious students. That could be a great motivation for you to study and attend classes. Number 9. Forums, cells, collectives, MUN. Apart from cultural clubs that I mentioned earlier, there are eco clubs, forums like Gender Forum, Queer Collective, Women Developmental Cell, Civil Service Cell, and MUNs or Model United Nations, where the possibility of improvement and discovering oneself is limitless. Once again, start with your own college. Consider this your task for today. Check your college website and find what are the opportunities, forum, platform, etc. are available that could benefit you. Number 10, explore places and events. Now that's something that does not need any mention. But still, let me talk about it for 30 seconds. If you're new to Delhi, then there's a huge list of places to explore. Either start from the basic, like the most famous tourist places of Delhi, or narrow your search and start from your college vicinity. There are quite a few gems around each college of Delhi University. Who knows, you and your friend might find that one perfect hangout spot. Finally, some bonus tip. Attend Fest. You might be rolling your eyes right now. A quick mention was really needed because a conversation on Delhi University cannot end without bringing the Fest season up. That's a time when you get a chance to meet celebrities, participate in different competitions, and would get a chance to see some great performances by different cultural societies. It's redundant, but I still say do not miss this. Do you have anything to share? Would love to hear your experiences, assumptions, and expectations from Delhi University. If you have any information regarding this, do share and help others in the Facebook group that I have created for you. The link is in the description below. I really hope the video gave you some insight how to explore and go about making an adventure out of these 3 years from Delhi University. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Take care until next time.